What's up? It's Random Dog. Today I'm going to show you how to make this camera and butterfly thing. But first, we need to get the app CapCut. You can ignore the background noise. This is CapCut. You don't need to add the picture if you're worrying about that. So let's do this. Okay, so let's remove the CapCut thing. You need to press effects right here, like on the bottom when you see text and stuff. You will see the button effects, video effects. Then you could choose any you want. On the top there's glowing lines, so you could do this thing or flaming trail. And guys, you could just do camera focus right here. And after you're done, just press this. And then on the other one, you could add this mini rainbow thing. Okay, now, Goofy. Okay guys, you could do this. And that's basically all. Special effects. Oh, GG. So, guys,